បងប្អូននេះស្នាដៃខ្មែរអាវដើម្បីជួយផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំសូមបង្ហាញអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នារបៀបធ្វើឆាមីសួរជាមួយសាច់មាន់បាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនទស្សនាទាំងអស់គ្នាតើខ្ញុំឆាមីសួរជាមួយសាច់មាន់ដែលខ្ញុំសល់ពីយប់មិញហ្នឹងខ្ញុំធ្វើរបៀបម៉េចបាទ Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make Vermicelli stir fry with chicken I left over last night. So please enjoy watching how I make this one, right? Recipe, I have to make stir fry, right? This is a roast chicken I left over last night. And this vermicelli I already dipped in cold water. And this cabbage and chili. So easy, very easy, simple to make it, right? Up the stove. Make sure this one, otherwise get this burn. It's already cooked, we can eat straight on. Alright. Put this cabbage. Stir together. Pork breast, I put that in, right? This is soy sauce. This soy sauce we mix with water, dark soy sauce and salted soy sauce. We mix all together and add a little bit of sugar. Just put 3 tablespoons, right? And I have to stir together like this. Okay, just make it all ingredients mixed together. Keep it like that, sort of easy to stir together, right? Just like that, it's enough. Put that in, cut it a little bit here, just cut it. And then we stir together. This is I call stir fry vermicelli with chicken roast chicken, right? And cabbage. Very simple. We save more time, save money either. So you don't need to spend your pocket more for meat. Just keep doing until this one mixed together well. And low heat, prevent from stick from the bottom, otherwise sticky. Okay, so simple and easy to make it. All right, test a little bit how it's going, right? Really good. Yum. And now I use a little bit of chai. This is chai chopped dry. They put in here. Just put a little bit because I run out of fresh one. make it smell nice. And maybe I add a little bit of this is black pepper. Yeah, black pepper. Okay, not too much. For just chili either. Uh-oh. Smell. Look at that smell. And this is chili. Not put the whole lot, just really make color beautiful. That's all I have this Saturday for lunchtime, right? Really good. All done. Come and eat with me, right? This is very, very yum, delicious. Very good. Very good. All our food left overnight, we can create this like this, right? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video. See you next video, right? Bye bye.